Hi, this is Shohak. Welcome to my video tutorial of web design. In the last tutorial you have learned how to create a HTML5. The tutorial was hello world and introduction to web design, and we'll open text editor. In the today's tutorial is very important for the newer, and I will show you how to use HTML tag. First, I will describe you about this tag. HTML is written in something called tags. This is a tag. Tags come in pairs, and opening one and closing one. This is the HTML opening tag and this is the HTML closing tag. The first pair of tags we will write are the HTML tags themselves. You put one HTML tag at the top and one at the bottom, just like this. This tells a browser like Internet Explorer or Firefox or Chrome or Netscape Navigator that the code is hypertext markup language. The short form is HTML. Two things to notice here. One, that the word HTML is surrounded by the angle brackets, just like it, surrounded by the angle bracket, the less than and greater than case on your keyboard. And two, that the second tag has a forward slash before the HTML tag. All your tags must be surrounded by the angle brackets. This is a pair of angle brackets. This tells the browser that there is some HTML code. If a browser find this code and he take it as a execute, and it will execute this code as a HTML code. This tells the browser that there is some HTML code that needs executing and that is not to be shown on the web page. If you write something into the angle bracket, just like J, and give a backslash ZTFH and close it and save. The browser did not show the code because he find the angle bracket before and after the text, so the browser takes it as a HTML code. Miss an angle bracket. If you miss an angle bracket out, and it can really mess up your web page, and be careful about be careful to close the tag with angle bracket. So add those two tags to your text editor and it look like this. Okay, now the first tag tells the browser, the first tag, this tag tells the browser to start doing something. The second tag tells the browser to stop doing it. The stop symbol is that forward slash. This symbol says that to browser that stop the work here. If you miss that out and again, your web page can really be messed up and looks very ugly. The next pair of tags are the head tags. The next pair of tags are the head tags, just like the HTML tags slash head tag. Again, notice that both the head tags are surrounded by angle brackets, surrounded by the angle brackets, and there is a forward slash before the final one. The head section of HTML is where you put a special instructions. This head section of HTML page is where you put a special instruction for the browser. Your browser will not print directly to a web page when things are inserted into the head section. Just like something that, and save it and reload it. Oh, if it's gone. Okay, for example, if you wanted to display the words hello world on your page and you typed them in between the head tags, just like this, hello world text, the browser would just ignore them. That's because hello world is direct text and not a special instruction that the browser can understand. A special instruction your browser can understand is the title tag. The title tag always goes in the head section of the HTML skeleton, and if you write something here, it will show the title bar of the web page, just like this, hello world. I have written hello world into the title tag. The browser shows the text in the title bar, hello world. The title tag always goes in the head section of the HTML skeleton. The title tag doesn't do very much, and its define should not be confused with the name of your web page. If you saved your web page as myfile.html, just like myfile.html, then that would have no bearing on our relationship with the title tag. Whatever you type between the two title tags is what appears at the very top of your browser window, just called title tag. And that's it. That's all it does. You will see what it looks like in a moment. The final and most important part of the HTML skeleton is the body section. Now we will create the body section just like it, and in between this two body tags is where you will write most of your HTML code. Think of the body as the white page in word processing. When you type something in your word processing software, it is immediately displayed. Similarly, when you type something between the two body tags and then view the web page view the web browser software, whatever you typed will be displayed as long as it's not a tag. Your browser will try to display it for you. So remember, if you want people to see it, put it between the body tags in your text editor. Then add like something hello world and save it and reload the page, and you will see the text which I have write into the body tag. Notice that we have added some text between the two title tags, hello world. We have also used indenting, but this is only for readability. The indenting does not have any effect on the result. Now the most important thing for the web page, we have to declare the document type, just like this. This code tells the browser that this document is a HTML5 document, HTML5 version document, HTML5 version document. That the doc type HTML says that the browser, this is a HTML5 version document, and it's not really a HTML tag but an instruction to the browser about which version of HTML is allowed. In version of HTML prior to HTML5, the doc type could be very messy. In HTML5, however, it's just is doctype.html, and coming up next, we will take a look at how to save your project on proper directory or proper path. So till then, bye bye.